Pull over, get here. Out, down and around. Check this car out. Whoa. If you've been driving down State Highway and it's from Tekapō to Christchurch, flat tussocks all the way here. The territory is wonderful. You hit Burkes Pass and all of a sudden you get ghosted by history and these collection of old stores and vintage gear. Wow, look at that. As a little kid, I used to watch did you ever watch Brum? Apparently, I used to cry toward the end there because it was very sad that it was ending. And this is bringing me right back. Look at all this stuff. Oh, is that a bathroom? Right. Now, yeah, there are toilets here. It's nothing to scream about, but if you've been driving for 2 hours, they probably look pretty bloody good. I would know. Lonely Planet apparently called this place a must-see. I don't usually take travel advice from the guidebooks, but reluctant to complain. They're not wrong. Very, very cool. So this is the Three Creeks. How's the general store back in the 1950s?
Three Creeks isn't actually old, not officially. It's a working replica.
Service station, blacksmith shop, trading store. The main four that you'd need for back then.
All built here from scratch, and all of it is stuffed with the real thing.
Holy heck. Bit of ammo. So a lot of these classic cars clearly don't run anymore, but you can purchase a lot of the furniture and stuff around here, and also you get something hot to drink if you want as well. A typewriter. The Fringe. Been rewatching Fringe. Need to send a message to. Oh. Ding. Oh, yo. This is neat. There's the general stores. So that was the old only gas station that you could go to. A lot of the tools and whatnot that you're seeing here apparently go in and around the 1962s.
Here's the thing that nobody tells you walking around this place, and none of it was supposed to be a museum.
Your old traffic lights. There's records.
In 1994, the actual Burkes Pass Hotel, the real heart of this town, was burnt to the ground.
The old BP sign, I'm sure a lot of you will recognize that. Certainly do.
A guy who owned it, Dave Taylor, couldn't rebuild the pub, so instead he built this, a whole mini village of vintage sheds. Made from stuff he's been collecting since he was 10 years old, back when he had a tree hut full of old junk they gave him. 30-odd years later, that tree hut habit has a fake 1950s garage filled with real 1950s garage.
The old glass Coke cans. School, drive slowly. She looks like a scary lady. Population here is not many. The claim to fame was almost the capital of Mackenzie country. Almost. The railway stopped at Wally in 1884 and Burkes Pass got ghosted by history, but left behind a collection of all these old beautiful shops stuffed with the kind of vintage gear that your grandparents would probably recognize and kids think is just an aesthetic. We can't go in there, but we can go into some of here. Pump on prepay. Well, that's not new. Old. Oh yeah. Absolutely free to visit here and look at all of these beautiful collections of antiques.
Free entry the whole way through, so no admission fee anywhere on this walk.
Oh wow. Oh, this one's cool. A lot of old gas station gear in here. Whoa. That's so old, I don't even understand the concept. Oh yeah, the old radios. Wow, these are super old typewriters. How much is that? $200 for an Imperial typewriter, if you're looking for one of those. Possibly also available on Amazon. Ooh, I'm gonna push a button. Oh. It's tuned, but alas, I cannot play. You want to play something? I can't play.
Quick one while you're looking at all of this. Burkes Pass sits at 709 metres above sea level. Doesn't feel like it. Everything around here reads dead flat, tussocks in every direction. No sense you've climbed anything, but you
While
have.
you're looking at all these bits and bobs, Burke actually stands around 700 metres above sea level, even though everything around seems to be incredibly flat. Holy crap! $1,500 for gas. If it comes with gas, it might be worth it given the gas prices. B&B and accommodation only. Interesting. Didn't realise that you could stay here. These are a very cool collection of signs as well. For somebody screwed up. But I love looking at all these old cars. Really brings me back. This bike reminds me of Saw. Want to check out this general store. Oh, chilling in my chair. It's my garage over there. If I was old, I'd be waving my fist. Get off my lawn! I'd do that now anyway. Oh, all right. Weather station, hilarious.
It's dry, it's fine. When it's wet, it's raining. When this block is white, it's snowing. When it's wet, it's windy.
So this must be the little general store. Very cool. Oh, I like the idea of these bouncy chair things, which I won't sit on because I might fall over. I do want to sit on it though. How stable are they? Oh wait, they're art pieces. Okay, maybe I won't sit on it. Be a very cool drunken joke to have a bar with those in. Tables here are beautiful. Super solid. 3,200. It's massive. You wanna go inside? Have you gained it?
This is absolutely great for kids too. A true Where's Wally. You can go in here and play I Spy for hours on end.
Nice to stop here because you can grab your coffee and let the kids just wander around and it's free. Oh, whoa. Oh, okay. Ice cream isn't exactly what I would call new. Old. Bit of stuff in the thing around here.
So if you've got a little one with you, that's a built-in reason to slow down and look at everything, instead of just marching on through.
Oh yes, fireplace. Ooh. Three little piggies. Where's a big bad wolf? That must be their success photo. Great success. Just the gift shop.
By this point, you've probably clocked the pattern. Half of what's in here I certainly can't date. It's like playing The Price is Right, except in years.
Chevy. So well looked after. What year did you say it was? 1951. Beautiful. Super well looked after. And that, please keep off car. I wasn't going to touch it. 1940s? I guess. Don't actually know. I mean, oh yeah. Well, in another place is 1941. I don't know though. I do appreciate the old cars, but I don't really know much about them. That's why you probably don't want to go on the boot. You fall right through. This one looks like it's got some pretty decently new tyres on it. Castro Motors. Wowee. Please ask us about delivery. Yeah, lovely place. Literally just looking at the front of the place. There you go. Welcome to Burkes Pass, gateway to the Mackenzies. This is excellent. It's got the old, very uncomfortable looking seat. Free entry, better than it needs to be. Honestly, if you're the kind of person that likes to poke around through a blacksmith shop rather than queue for another scenic viewpoint or a car park, pull over, walk with me. Subscribe for more shops that the guidebooks mention but nobody actually visits. And I hope to see you in the next one. Let's go get a coffee. Toilets, 21 kilometers. It's my worst nightmare.